Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Mableton local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving solutions are perfectly designed to meeting your exclusive needs. Being one of the most experienced and reliable professional movers in Mableton, we study your requirements carefully and create a personalized plan that fulfills your exact needs. Take a look at what we can do to serve you perfectly. Packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you seek professional help, you need to make a payment to a local mover in Mableton. Is it a wise step to depend on DIY methods to avoid paying a professional moving company? You should not follow this idea because moving experts offer many benefits that make their price inconsequential. Moves demand special training and expertise. You don't have the expertise to handle various materials that need careful handling. Furthermore, you lack the time and resources to perform a move efficiently. When you partner with us, our experienced team of movers streamlines the entire process. We are committed to making your relocation fast and hassle-free. While you may need a couple of days to move your items locally, we could perform a local move successfully in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mableton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.